Hello, my name is Sophia. I am 8 years old. You know that the COVID-19 has stopped now, so we can go everywhere without a medical declaration. We can enjoy the new normal summer. To change the atmosphere, after 2 years we have just stayed at home. My family will go to Phú Island. We will stay at a beautiful hotel on the beach. I love spending time at the beach with my family. My sister and I usually go swimming and build sandcastle together. Our parents love to see sunrise and sunset or sunbathe on the sun loungers. We'll enjoy playing volleyball on the beach. It's so much fun. Going on a sailboat ride is so much fun and such a great adventure. I am crazy about swimming and diving. Underwater life is so beautiful and magical. We have to wear goggles underwater to protect our eyes. We will go to Vinpearl Safari, the biggest zoo in Vietnam, to take the bus tour around the vast park. And to enjoy the fun games and activity for all ages, and spot the animals including lions, giraffe, monkeys, zebra, and elephant. In the evening, we will go to restaurants or night market to have our dinner and buy some souvenirs. Oh, what a great summer! And I'm looking forward to this trip. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.